'Tis the season of desserts and numerous drinking opportunities. But there are a few holiday libations that can actually help you keep your waistline. Hi, I'm Krystin Goodwin with Buzz60, and here are the best healthy holiday cocktails to entertain. Try this Santa Sleigh Martini. Just take 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk and 2 tablespoons of sugar-free vanilla pudding mix. Then add 2 ounces of a light rum, which is lower in sugar than dark rum. Garnish with cinnamon and add a splash of cherry juice. Or try this candy cane cocktail. Take 1 cup of diet ginger ale, 1 cup of sparkling water, then add in 2 ounces of vodka. Add a splash of lemon juice, a half a cup of peppermint flavoring, then garnish with a candy cane. Refreshing and festive. I love champagne, but when I drink it, it's like, good night, Krystin, see you next week. It's loaded with sugar, which can lead to hangovers. So make your own version. Take diet ginger ale, add some cherry juice, then add in 2 ounces of vodka. Then just serve up in a champagne flute. A festive, lower-calorie version of the holiday favorite. So perk up with a few of these lower-calorie options this holiday. Cheers to big celebrations with less calories. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.